You searched for how to buy shares of Integral Diagnostics Ltd, a medical imaging and radiology services company listed on CBOE AUS with ticker IDX.ASX. This quick video explains the basic steps to locate and buy the stock for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you'll need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and then add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IDX.ASX to find the company. Confirm you select the listing that shows Integral Diagnostics Ltd on CBOE AUS to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company info and the price chart to confirm it's the right stock. Check the company name, exchange, and ticker so you're certain you have Integral Diagnostics Ltd. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next available session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, I've left a link to the example platform in the description below.